The person is a conman, that is, he knows the way of deceiving or tricking someone and persuades someone to do or believe something. So we can get a negative gesture from his personality, and it is the hint to predict the answer and get the correct choices. Terseness as choice A and brusqueness as choice B both mean any issue which is effectively concise. He tried to use tacit way, that is implicit and was implied without being stated, and so it was ambiguous or equivocal. People could not consider him as a taciturn or curt man because he gave a verbose speech, which denotes a talkative or loquacious person as opposite of a taciturn man. So choice G fits blank 3 as a correct answer, and choice H and I are so eliminated. Now, as he is a loquacious person, so he used to apply tacit circumlocution, which denotes a verbose speech as mentioned in the passage. A verbose speech can never be terseness or brusqueness. So choice C is correct answer to make sense for blank 1. A person who is loquacious and tries to use tacit circumlocution to hide his prevarication is a person with feigned attitude. He cannot be a sincere or bona fide man by nature, so choice D and F are eliminated for blank 2, and choice E is the correct answer to fit the blank 2. So the correct answers are choice C, choice E, and choice G. The choice A, choice B, choice D, and choice F are to be eliminated along with choice H and I. We get the correct answers are choice C, choice E, and choice G.